So today we are doing craft. We are doing cardinal birds. So hanging cardinal bird for decoration during Diwali, during you can say Christmas. This you have to cut the paper from the templates I have sent. You have to cut the bird like this. You need two red color small craft papers or any color you want. You need one string, then you need the gum, and you need the sellotape also. Okay, so we are starting. You have to just stick using one paper. You have to stick both the sides, this cardinal bird, this side and this side also. Okay, so I'll stick one side. Apply the gum on whole paper. Don't leave any side, otherwise it will come out. And here you have to stick in the half portion and just press it smoothly. Okay, now this I have to cut it. Okay, now immediately don't stick the other side. First you cut this side, otherwise you won't get the shape properly. Now you can see here one side I have stuck the red paper. Now stick this side also the red paper. So I'll apply the gum and stick this side also. Now I applied the gum. You can see I'll just stick the other side also neatly and properly. Just press it once. Now you have to be very careful while cutting this paper. You can see the same color is there, so don't cut the original paper. Cut this paper, the extra paper. Okay, I'll start cutting. So here a cardinal bird is ready. Okay, both the sides I have stuck the red paper. Okay, now we'll take the other paper, another paper. You have to just make a fan. You have to fold it like the fan we used to do when we were very small young children. That time we used to play with this fan. This is the folding you have to do. Fold one side, then turn again another side and fold here. Okay, again here, again this side. Here my folding is over. Now just see, take the string and just catch like this and find out the mid of the string, and this mid you have to stick over here in this fan from here, because these will be the wings. Put it here in the middle, and now here you can just stick it with the sellotape. Now the other side, just stick over here. Now here I have stuck the whole string like this. Close the wing now. Just turn it, make a fold, half fold over here. Okay, now I am putting a cut over here. Keep this aside, and here you can put a cut. Make a marking with the pen or pencil. These you have to cut. Fold a bit the bird. Fold a bit the bird and make the marking, and then cut it over here. Fold and cut it over here. You can see this cut. Okay, now I will just put inside, pass through the cut. I'll pass through the cut the string, and then this. Okay, here I'll pass the string I've passed. I'll pass the wings also. Now take care, the part which I have stuck, okay, this should be inside, okay, this side, upside, so that it will go like this, okay. Now here is our bird ready, but I'll put here the designs. Please catch over here, okay. I'll just make a design. You just have a look over here. This is the string. I'll put a knot over here, double knot, so that it won't move. Again, after some space, I'll make a knot, double knot I'll make it, so it won't move. I'll just turn around here for a different look. Okay, here I'll apply now the knot again. Double knot here to put, so the design won't move. So here I applied the double knot. Again the same process like I did before. Keep some space and apply the knot. Okay, second knot, this is the double knot. Again after some space I'll apply the knot. I have completed the design part. Now I'll just apply a final knot over here. This is how you apply the final knot. Okay, and cut the extra string. Okay, and now I'll make the face. Put the design of the face like this. Okay, circle for the eye. This is one side, and now turn and do for the other side also. And this is our cardinal bird ready with the string.